Welcome. In front of me is a Honor 50 Lite, and today I will show you how you can hard reset the device through settings. So to get started, obviously you will want to open up your settings. From here, scroll down to System and Update, select Reset, and then choose Reset Phone. This will give you a message that resetting phone will delete all data from your device, including, well, basically everything that is listed right here. Now, to quickly just go over this, what you might want to care about will be files that you store locally on your device. So things like maybe photos, music, documents, things like that. So if you have anything of that sort on your phone that you keep locally, you might want to create a backup of it, maybe on your computer or maybe on an SD card. It's completely up to you. And once you have done so, you can then proceed further. Otherwise you will lose those files permanently. But assuming you have already done so, or you simply don't want to, let's proceed by selecting Reset Phone. If you have some kind of screen lock, you will need to confirm it right over here. Now we do have a backup option right up here, so okay, we can do it from here. But I'm just gonna jump straight to resetting the device. And as you can see, this immediately begins the process, which will take probably about like 3-2 maybe minutes to finish up. So I'm just gonna let it run through and come back once it's complete. And as you can see, the process is now finished and you can set up your device however you like. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.